Ke bafowethu, the legendary ex-Benedict was at Ellis Park Stadium for the Yaks-K Derby. Of course, it's a clash between two of the biggest rugby teams in Gauteng, the Lions hosting the Bulls. Khona Ellis Park, as you can see, even outside the stadium, the atmosphere is absolutely electric. It's a sea of red as the home team is waiting with a great deal of anticipation for this clash. Uyabona ke abalandeli bayangena ke njengamanje kuma 10 styles la bayajabulile ngempela ukuthi cha bafuna ukubona i-Yaks-K Derby. Bakhona naba-blue la abaphozani la ya ngiyabaphozisa, bakhona nabathe qwaqwa lapha naba-blue yabona basuka le ePitori beze eGoli eGauteng kwaNdongazi yaDuba kwanyama kayiphele kuphela amazinyo endoda nangu mna nama-Blue Bulls impela ke uthi hayi bazowina noma kanjani. Ngithi awushuthe ngenze ivideo nazo. This is where the magic will happen ke bafethu. Ellis Park ngaphakathi ke leyo uyayibona ukuthi cha, it's the calm before the storm. That's what they call it. Abazi kangcono abathi bafundile. It's the calm before the storm. Yeah. Uyabona abantu groundsmen making sure thina ke siku press conference ke siku media center rather. This is where the media guys sit most importantly lapha badla khona la bahambe bayothatha ukudla ama light snacks lawa. Press conference iba lapha yana ke sihlala ngapha nje masafayile ama report isilungise kulungisa press conference iba lapha ya ucoach uhlala lapha yana badlali no captain bese simgrilla ngembuzo thina sihlala la ezitulweni lezi ezimnyama yabo sihlala la sibhekele ucoach yena uhlala lapha etafuleni lapha ya abheke ngapha sibeka ama recording devices ethu. Okay, awuthi ngidla ndadaka ngifuna ukubona ngihlafuna. Anyway, bathi sebeyangena ke manje stadium ke silungiselela irugby ke manje. Ayi nama Lions asayaphuma ke manje home team. Khali crowd ke lapha na ke cha ayi usheka umbhoxo usho umbhoxo ngempela sizobukela lana ke ibhola lombhoxo na ama Blue Bulls ama Vodacom Bulls nawo sengenile manje ke. Hayi ke sihleli ke manje ke bafethu ukudlala irugby bawashaya ama Lions bawashayile ekhaya. Ayi ngeke half time ayi bekunzima kakhulu la ngiyakutshena. 3-26 isona lesi score leader the away team. Makwe half time game nafuna ngihambe kuyibuka ukuthi ngise right yini ngithi kuyisula kancane ngithi kuyigcoba kwaphela ngimuhle mina. Hayi ke athi let me get something to drink. Hawa amanzi awekho. Sekusele coke light iyaphuzeka le. Hayi ngizakhe ngizame ngibona. Athi ngibuyela ngiyobuka second half. Naba labantu abaqeda amanzi ami yazi ngiyabona asegcwele la nje manje amanzi. Okay, nama Fanta but ke ayivela nginendaba nawo. Hayi uphele kumdlalo iscore 17-52. Abayishanga bayibulele Lions. Hayi ke kumele ke manje ke abantu bayangena ke manje bawushutha nabadlali and I'm like, what's going on here? Is this a pitch invasion or what? But ilokhuzana ama security nje babona nama reflector vest asethe ilokhuzana iperimeter lapha abantu bengangeni ngaphakathi. It's actually allowed in eGauteng bayakwenza bengingakwazi ke mina eThekwini lokho. eGauteng bayakwenza ukuthi ningangena niyoshutha nabadlali phakathi egroundini as long as ningangena ku perimeter lesethe amaphoyisa. Yabona manje sekuyi pitch invasion of some sorts, but ngathi ke it's allowed as long as nje ningezukungena kule perimeters uzobiza umdlala sondele la eduze nishuthe naye. Sometimes umnika ifoni ashuthe nani khona la kwi-fence. Ayi asike press conference siyabuza coach ukuthi badliwe kanjani abanye bawine kanjani. Sesibalindile la uthi coach baphume ke sokwenza press conference. Then after the press conference sihamba babodo kosema basedi abanye sebehambile babodo bayiduduza ngobhiya lapha phezulu. Ake neke ngasuper sport igoqa ama cable cosi yaphela.